In the early winter, the river valley wetlands of southeastern Tibet are crowded with black-necked cranes squeaking lively and vibrantly. These rare migratory birds fly a great distance each year from northeastern Qinghai Tibet Plateau and spend as long as 5 months for winter here. Cranes are hailed as fairy birds in China. In the first collection of Chinese poetry, the Book of Songs, the chapter singing of cranes says, "Cranes singing in the marshes are heard by heaven." The ancient poets were deeply touched by the resounding calls. Cranes hop and fly around. It's hard to get close to them. What's clearly heard, though, are their remarkable voices. Cranes have very long necks. When it raises the head and calls, its voice sounds like a trumpet and travels very far. That is mainly a result of their special body structure. One-third of the black-necked crane's slender neck is covered by black feathers. This is the feature that gives the crane its name. Among 15 species of cranes in the world, the black-necked crane is the latest to be discovered and named. It's also the only crane species to live and breed on the Qinghai Tibet and Yunnan-Guizhou plateaus. Life on the plateau is harsh. The weather changes dramatically. The ground is covered with heavy snow. Food is scarce for the black-necked cranes. Moreover, the fledglings have a low survival rate. The black-necked crane has a very small population. It is under first-class state protection in China and is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. The valleys of the Yarlung-Zangbo River and its tributaries are one of the major wintering grounds for the migratory birds in Tibet. Immersed in the pleasant natural environment, a large number of black-necked cranes spend winter here every year. There are also water birds like wild geese and ducks. Black-necked cranes live in groups. They spend most of their time foraging. After a harvest, the remaining highland barley, wheat, and grass roots make up some of their favorite food. Black-necked cranes are always vigilant. When humans get close, they will flap their wings and fly away. When searching for a foraging spot, they hover in the sky at first, and then land when the ground is clear with no obvious threats. Black-necked cranes are easily scared, but they are no longer afraid of the local residents. The black-necked crane is called chong-chong in Tibetan. In local tradition, it is a token of luck, longevity, and loyalty. Local people treat the lucky bird with love and reverence. Be it in the Tibetan classic Epic of King Geyser or in Thangka paintings, the black-necked crane is always there. It is a glimpse at the black-necked crane's status to Tibetans. Starting in March, black-necked cranes will fly back to northeastern Qinghai Tibet Plateau. There are remote lakes and marshes, perfect for them to reproduce. Year after year, black-necked cranes migrate seasonally in the plateau areas. Humans and wildlife live harmoniously on this magnificent plateau. Black-necked cranes migrate elsewhere, but they always come back.